How's it going, everybody? Gilbert Garcia here at Merced Chevrolet. I got some great news for you guys. We got some more trucks that came in. I also wanted to show you some of these trucks that we have. I wanted to emphasize on the custom. We do have a brand new custom 2023 Silverado available right now. We got some great savings, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about this truck. Come see me here at Merced Chevrolet, and let's go to this truck and check it out, okay? Check out this beautiful truck, everybody. This is the 23 Silverado. It is a 4x4. Beautiful truck. Very functional for your everyday truck, wherever you want to go. Check out these nice rims. Like I mentioned, it is a 4x4. It is the custom. Beautiful. It's got even the step sides on the bumper. It's got the inserts ready to go. Black badging on it. You got the dirt bed in the back. We got the 120 outlet ready to go. Also, it's got the easy lift gate. Beautiful, beautiful. On this truck, you'll be saving over $5,000. So there you go. Those are the MPGs on this truck right there. 19 combined. Great truck, beautiful. Let's take a look inside. It is a family truck, so it does have the optional third seat right in the middle. As you can see here, controls. This one's actually got the new interior, y'all. And also the new cloth seats, very durable. You got an adjustable seat in the bottom. And let's check this out. There you go. You got that seat in the middle with the seat belt. Pull a little tab on the side, comes right down. Very functional screen as well in the infotainment center. This one has the Wi-Fi capability, and you also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can actually set up your trailering. You by yourself. You do have some nice controls here. And for those of you who don't like the auto stop, you do have the auto stop disabled right here. That way it doesn't turn off on you when you're driving. Got plenty of room in here. Let's check it out. Get all that space, everybody. Got your floor mats. It does come with floor mats. You got some vents in the back. You got the adjustable rising seat, both sides. Get all that room in the bottom. Come experience this truck for yourself, everybody. Like I did mention, it is a 4x4. It's a great truck for your everywhere to go truck. Can tow with this tow capacity is 9,600 pounds. It's got 310 horsepower. It's that truck that you want to save some gas on. You can get this truck right here. This one does have the high put engine. Come check it out here at Merced Chevrolet. Look at this truck. I will put the post on the screen here in the video of the pricing. It's got some great savings right now. It's got over $3,000 in savings, but we are here available to help you out, pick out the right truck. I will be showing you some more trucks later on, but I am here to help you pick out the right vehicle for you and your family and for your work that you're going to need this truck for. Come ask for me. Gilbert Garcia here, Merced Chevrolet. I hope to see you soon.